Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. Today we are going to take a look at Enbridge. And before we get into the video, I'd like to take a moment to thank everyone who has subscribed to the channel. Really do appreciate it. And guys, we are going to, like I said, take a look at Enbridge. We are going to take a look at who they are, a couple charts on them, forecast on them, and then also the shares I own and my cost basis. And if you're into this kind of content, you're into dividend stocks like I am, dividend portfolio reveals. I do one every Sunday. I also do Monday through Thursday this particular video, which is the stock pick of the day. So if you're into that, go ahead and hit subscribe, join the journey, join my journey, my path to financial freedom, and hopefully I can help you on your path as well. So let's jump right in and take a look at Enbridge. And as we said, we're going to take a look at Enbridge. So what do? They provide energy, liquid pipelines, so that natural gas, gas distribution, and renewable energy. We move about 30% of the crude oil produced in North America. We transport nearly 20% of natural gas consumed in the U.S. and operate North America's third largest natural gas utility by consumer count. Enbridge was an early investor in renewable energy. We have a growing offshore wind portfolio. As a matter of fact, I can see some of their windmills out on the lake behind me in Lake St. Clair. As a diversified energy company, we are uniquely positioned to accelerate the global transition to cleaner energy future. We're doing it in ways that are ethical, sustainable, socially responsible. I can't talk today, a little tongue-tied. So they are a Canadian company headquartered in Calgary, Canada, and they do obviously produce energy and move energy in America and Canada. And if you want to know more about them, check them out at www.enbridge.com. That is their homepage where I pulled this information from. So let's continue on. So again, Enbridge, ticker ENB, they are in the energy sector. They were down 1.82% today, closed out the day, we're talking about August 15th, Monday, August 15th at $42.72. Looks like they're up a little bit in the after hours here at 4:06 p.m., 42.77 whenever I took this clip. Their 52-week range is a low of $36.21, a high of $47.67. So at $42.72, they're kind of floating in the middle of the 52-week low and 52-week high. They have a market cap of $85.504 billion, a beta of 0.90, which is a little less volatile than the overall market. You can see a bit of that volatility here over the course of the day. Looks like they were actually down even lower, but again closed at 42.72. They have a PE ratio of 22.60, a little on the high side. And they have a forward dividend of $2.68 on the year. That is paid out quarterly, so divide this by 4. That'll tell you your payout. And their current yield is pretty nice at 6.15%. Their ex-dividend date was last August 12th, so last week here, last Friday. And they have a one-year target estimate of $47.93, so doesn't speak to much upside appreciation, at least according to Yahoo Finance, where I pulled this information. Not affiliated, just where I like to pull some information from. But this is not really one you buy for the stock price appreciation. You are really buying it for the income here from the dividends. Then according to the 25 stock analysts who have taken a look at this on stockanalysis.com, not affiliated, just where I like to pull some information from, they called a consensus buy. They have a low target of $41.73. So that would be a 2.32% pullback from where it currently sits. If it happened to hit their average of 47.58, pretty close to where Yahoo Finance had it there, it would be a 11.38% upside. And if they hit their high of $54.84, that would be a 28.37% upside. All the while, you'd be collecting north of a 6% dividend return on that as well. Now for a look at how many shares I own. I currently am sitting on 42.618, so this is definitely in my portfolio. About to collect the dividends here. Again, the payout or the ex-dividend date was August 12th, so that was last Friday, and the payout date is September 1st, so I'll get 86 cents per share on these 42.618 shares. And my cost basis is $40.95. So I would be interested around if it was to pull back, as stock analysis showed, or continue to pull back further. I'm not really, again, adding to it here at 42.72, but if it continues to fall, it's getting close. It's real close. I'd like to get it at or below my cost basis, and preferably below, so that I can this cost per share basis. I am up 4.41%, but again, I am buying for the 6% return. So it's nice to the dividend return. So it's nice to get a little bit of appreciation on my shares here. But again, I actually hope it drops down below my cost basis so I can jump this up preferably to over 100 shares and collect on that 6+% dividend return. Well, that is it for this one, folks. I really do appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Enbridge. Let me know what you think of the video. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, suggestions for future topics, your opinions, or constructive criticism. Go ahead and drop it all below down in the comments sections below. This is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Hope you have a great week. It is Monday, first day of a new one. Take care. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount not comfortable losing. Always do your own research. Invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.